Welcome guys. Does your Windows 11 start menu looks messy, or worse, anyone can see what apps or files you have opened recently? In this video, I will show you how to clean it up in just a few clicks. Welcome back to KinspireTech, where we simplify tech for you. So most times it's a matter of privacy when you actually open an app on your system or open a file and your start menu gives you leaks of the secret of the files you open, what you just recently did on your laptop, and it doesn't look really nice to have all those things being displayed and the list of all the apps being showing the files you opened recently and how many hours ago you opened the file. It doesn't look that nice. So if you click on more, you can see the list of all the apps you have been opening for past 3 to 1 week and 3 days to 1 week, which is not really nice. So today we'll show you how to clean it up and make a clean start. So first of all, you click on the start menu, then you select settings, then you navigate to the personalization, where you now scroll down and look for start menu. So what you just need to do is to toggle off most of all those show recently added apps. You toggle off show most used apps, and also you toggle off show recently opened items in the start. So when I toggle each and every one off and on, you see the effects they make over there. You can see most used apps are turned on, are displayed down there. Then if we turn it off and turn off most recently used app, you can see the recently app opened are displayed here. Then if you turn off this show recommended files in the start menu and the start jump list and file explorer, if we turn it off, if we go to our start menu, you can see that the files are no more there. They just vanished and it looks cool and decent in the eyes. So if you actually turn off recommendation for tips and app, you turn it on, you can see that you will not have any recommendation or tips on recently app to use, and our interface looks clean and good. So over here we have where we can actually set based on the styles or recommendation of styles you want to use for your computer. So you can see your start menu have different styles based on recommendation, show more recommendation, show by default, and actually more styles are all displayed here. So now that your start menu is decluttered and private, you prefer a clean or personalized start menu? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and do share this video, like it, and actually subscribe to this channel for more tech tips. See you in the next video.